I'm Adam from South Plains Implement, and this is another edition of Cut Clips. Today, I'm going to talk about something a little different than our normal product videos, how-to videos. Today, I'd like to talk about mulching your grass. Now, our ag producers in this area, in West Texas, you've seen them out in the fields, the big pivot irrigation systems that go around. So, what you may not be aware of with those systems is that studies have shown that there are between 15 and as high as 35% of the moisture that's put out, the water that's put out, is lost. Some of it is due to drift. You know, the wind blows, moves the water away from where you're wanting it. But a big cause of this water loss is evaporation. It can be, you know, that it's the distance that the water has to fall from the sprinkler head to the ground, or even as simple as the water, you know, hitting the plant and then evaporating before it has a chance to soak into the soil and you know, do what it needs to do. That's a problem farmers are well aware of and have been for a long time, but this also applies to your lawn. One of the easiest and most effective ways that you combat this water loss with watering your lawn is with mulching. The mower deck, it doesn't just shoot out the side through the discharge chute. It stays inside the deck. It gets circulated, chopped up finer, and it falls to the ground. This helps with providing nutrients to your lawn through decomposition, but another way that it helps is it acts as an insulator. When you water your lawn, it falls down to the ground, you have that bed on the ground of, you know, dead, chopped up grass. Really helps to insulate the ground and allow that water to soak in, and really cuts down on evaporation. So it's a good thing to think about. Now, the way a mulching system works, we have two different options on our John Deere mowers. One is kind of a simple system that involves high lift blades. It involves a plug that blocks off your discharge chute, and then baffles, which are typically bolted to the underside of your deck. And this creates, with the high lift blades, as the blade comes through and cuts the grass, that it keeps it circulating underneath the deck, chops it up finer, and it falls down to the ground. Another cool system we have is called a Mulch on Demand. And this is a John Deere exclusive. It's got baffles that are controlled by a handle on the deck. And you move this handle and it closes the baffles and closes off the discharge chute and turns it into a mulching deck. And then there are times when you may not want to mulch, you flip the lever back and it becomes a side discharge. Really handy, neat option for different types of terrain, different areas. If you have any questions about it, please give us a call, come in and talk to us, and we'd be happy to show you what it's all about. Thanks, and have a good day.